guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day, so you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so you know our practice here. I'm going to put all the information that you need to know, from the product name, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs or the website. So guys, I'm inviting everyone to please stay tuned at the end of the episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start now with the Fall-Winter 2025 Runway collection. First, we have the Papillon bag. So the material of this one is monogram canvas with treated cowhide leather trims, as we could see. And guys, as we know, this is the re-edition, like quote-unquote re-edition of the classic Papillon bag. So the difference now, it has a flap for the opening, but all of the features are still the same. Next guys, we have a trunk briefcase. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. This is a briefcase style luggage or handbag. It has S-lock closure and it comes with untreated leather vachetta strap. As we could see here, it has S-lock closure and it has gold hardware as well. Next, on the Runway collection, so we have, guys, this is not the official name, the double bomb bag. So materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So if I have more photos of this one, guys, I would be sharing on our community wall. So I am guessing that this double bomb bag, as we could see, material is like the softer version of the monogram canvas, and the vachetta is pre-treated, which I really love, and I feel that those bags are fully detachable. Then we have like a new design bag, so not official name. We have the multi-pocket top handle bag. Material is the classic monogram canvas and the vachetta is untreated, as we could see here. So they are using most of these 90s kind of openings. As you can see, there's a flap, so I'm guessing that this is a magnetic lock closure. Then of course guys, next on the collection, so this is not really a bag, but I would just like to share it to everyone. So we have the violin case. Material is, now we have we have the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So if you are quirky enough, maybe you could use this one as a handbag or maybe just a display at your home. What do you think of this one? Kindly let me know. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so now going back, so now guys, not the official name, we have the loop bag. So we are going to discuss now the Demi Ebene canvas version of the Runway. So this one, as we can see, that is the main material. So it comes of course with leather top handle, and it comes also with fully detachable braided chain strap. So this is the close-up. I think also this kind of reminds me of a 90s re-edition from a Louis Vuitton bag. If you know guys, kindly comment down below. Also this one, I'm just not really sure of the name. So this is a bowler bag style. So as we could see, main materials, the Demi Ebene canvas with cowhide leather trims. This is a leather top handle, and it says here with craft wear stickers, Trans Europe Express. So I'm not really sure if they're going to continue with the stickers from this collection. Then another violin case, this time in the Dame Azure canvas material. And also it would come with cowhide leather trims. So I feel this one is more of a smaller style compared to the first one that we have discussed. So perfect again for your violins or maybe just a display at your home. What do you think? And then of course next on the Runway collection, another bomb bag. So we have the double or twin bomb bag, not the official name. Material is the Demi Azure canvas with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see, so as mentioned earlier, I feel that these bags you could fully detach from the belt so you could wear it in other ways. I love of course the treated leather that they have used. It is in noir or black, not the regular vachetta leather. Then we have a trunk top handle bag. So this one material is the reverse monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So the cowhide leather trims, as you can see here, is pre-treated and is in color noir. It would come with gold hardware as well. So this is like a newer design of the trunk bag. What do you think? Kindly comment down below. Next, guys, so this one, guys, I'm just focusing on one. This is the lamp bag, but it is a runway bag shaped like a street lamp. It would also come in monogram canvas version. And also, guys, the light is fully functional. So what do you think of this one? So of course, guys, we can expect that this lamp bag would not be given to production. Then we have, I'm calling this one, not the official name, the Petit Malle version 2 because of the look of this one. So it features of course epi leather with cowhide leather trims and silver hardware. It has detachable top handle. So I feel that the look of this one is a slimmer version of the Petit Malle. What do you think? Although I am actually loving this style, but of course since this is a slimmer version, it would just function for as a evening bag. Then guys, we have many of these bags, so not the official name. Side trunk deconstructed. Why I'm calling it the deconstructed side bag, a side trunk, because it looks to me like a side trunk bag. However, the side of this one is not the usual hard luggage type. So this is made of softer leather, as we can see. So it has many versions on the runway. This one, the size of this one I like. So also this one kind of reminds me, the shape kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton puzzle bag. So this is the close-up, and I also love, guys, the very minimal Louis Vuitton stamping or logo in front. So it comes in multiple strap. It would come with key clochette. It would come with bag tag as well. Loving the style of this bag. I feel that would be a hit in the future. So guys, another version. So we have the side trunk deconstructed, not the official name. This one in a lighter leather colorway. So it comes like with the beige leather, it comes with sky blue, and it would come with the pistachio leather trim. So as you can see, loving all the straps. So you could carry this one in different styles. So next, so a smaller version. So maybe the size of this one could either be PM. So side trunk deconstructed. So the main material in front, we have the softer leather, and the straps that it comes with now is the canvas strap. So the canvas strap, I'm not really sure how I feel about them, because maybe if I would be given an option, I would love them to be leather as well, so that they would be more long lasting. So it is now a smaller version and in different colorway, as we could see. The main body of the side trunk deconstructed is made of leather, but the straps that it comes with are the monogram canvas straps. So it comes of course with the same features, so locks and a lock and key, padlock, and key clochette. Next on the runway collection, so we have another one, another look. So as you can see, everything is leather. Then of course the straps are monogram canvas. It is actually beautiful to look at, but then again, I would prefer, I'm kind of liking the leather on leather. And but I do love, guys, I really do love the quiet luxury feel of this bag, because the Louis Vuitton logo is very small. Then we have another shoulder bag. So a not official name, although it kind of reminds me of an Hermes bag. What do you think? The only LV that I'm seeing here is the strap, because I think they have, or Nicolas Ghesquière has used this kind of straps from his previous design. So it comes of course with the detachable bag tag and very minimal logo Louis Vuitton stamping. Another Louis Vuitton top handle bag. So this one materials monogram canvas with leather, as we could see. Detachable key clochette lock and key set. So this one, I think you could only see this one if you're going to pre-order. I'm not really sure that we could still see this, like for example on the stores, if this collection would be launching third quarter next year. Then guys, this one, so the Biker PM. So they have released this one recently. So this is from from the last Runway collection of Nicola Ghesquière. So material, I'm not really sure of the material. It kind of looks fabric to me, but I could be wrong. But it has cowhide leather trims. So I'm guessing they are pushing this bag. Lisa of Blackpink has also carried this bag when she attended the show. So we have a new design bag. So we have a trunk bag. Materials epi leather with cowhide leather trims. You know guys, I really do love an epi leather. This is perfect for an evening party. It's so chic, very, you would not know that this is Louis Vuitton. So it has silver S-lock for closure, which is so chic. Then another version, so the Petit Malle version 2. Materials epi leather in red. It would come with cowhide leather trims, so leather top handle, and of course this hardware that it comes with is silver. So what do you think of this Petit Malle version 2? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your comments on this one. Next guys, so this one Alma PM. So this one, the difference of this one, zooming in, so the main material is croc leather. So we could expect that the price of this one would be upward 20 or 30,000 USD. And guys, I think this is the very first time that I've seen LV created an Alma PM in the exotic leather, right? So next we have the Dauphine size MM. So the material of this one is leather, but zooming in guys, the leather and the entirety of the bag has the embroidery detail. So it comes of course with cowhide leather trims, 2 straps. So it comes with a leather shoulder strap, and it would come with a chain strap. So this is the close-up look, and we're going to see the embroidery detail. Then we have another side trunk deconstructed, but this one is like a larger size. It kind of looks like already a keepall in my eyes, and of course the materials is exotic leather. So question guys, have you seen anyone use an exotic leather bag for traveling as a keepall? Kindly comment down below. I would love to know. Then of course, do we have a boat chapeau? Material is in, I could be wrong but guys, but looking at this one, it kind of looks like a vernis leather or patent leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway of this one is kind of like a maroon or wine or Bordeaux. Of course, it would come with gold hardware. Next on the collection, so guys, this one I really love. Side trunks. So the material is the shiny empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with leather top handle, chain strap, and it would come with gold hardware as well. So zooming in on the material, as you can see, it's kind of shiny empreinte leather. What do you think guys? I am just wishing that the shiny part would not come off or rub off. Then we have another unofficial name, the loop bag. So I love the size of this one. So it's the same material, the shiny empreinte leather, right? I actually love the graining of, or the texture of this material. So this is a top handle bag, and I love of course that it comes with detachable chain strap. And I love actually that LV has their very own version of the chain strap. Then my love, Alma PM. So the material of this one is epi leather with cowhide leather trims. As we could see, it would come with the leather top handle, lock-in keys, and key clochette. So I'm not really sure what is the difference of this one, but I'm just glad that they are doing again the Alma PM, because Alma PM is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton bag. Then of course we have the Nice. I'm guessing the size is mini, or it could be a BB. Material is the shiny empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims, leather top handle, and as we could see, it comes with lock-in keys and key clochette. Loving this one. Hopefully guys, this is on the affordable side. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. And guys, if you have reached this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!